Okay guys, this video is going to show you how to download and install the Android Studio. So first of all, just go to the Google and then search for the Android Studio. So you're going to see the first link. Normally you have the developer.android.com, which you can download the Android Studio. So here you can see the download Android Studio Giraffe. You can just click and then you will download. If you are the Mac user, you can download the different installation file for the Mac, the below. Okay. So after download, you just double click the link, which I already done the download. Allow the security if you have. So this is the first scene you're going to see after you click the installer. So just click next, and then you're going to need both Android Studio and the Android virtual device. Normally you're going to run the project inside the emulator to test it, so that's why you need to install it. Next, select the installation location. By default, we'll select in the program file, which log file for this, and then click the menu, shortcut, and so on. After that, just drag and run. So after the installation complete, just click next and then finish. We're going to start the Android Studio. So they ask you to import the Android Studio setting or not. For the time being, we do not import any setting. Just click OK, and then you can send or don't send the usage. So this will be the welcome scene for the Android Studio. For us, we'll just click next, and then we'll choose the standard one. For me, I'll choose the light color, or you can choose the dark color, doesn't matter. So click next, and then you're going to install other things also. So for this, you just click next also, and then wait for all the installation done. You need to accept all first. After you accept all, you can click the finish. Then you need to wait again for the download for the SDK and so on, and other library. For this step, actually you need a very good internet, and the internet download speed will be impact your installation progress. So you can see the Android Studio is downloading the image file. This is actually a very huge file. So that's why your internet speed is very important. So this file is roughly 1.4 gig. So after that, you can just click the finish. So let's click a new project. We click a new project, and then select the MDV activity, and then we click next. So this is the configuration you can do for the new project. You have the name and the package name. You have to set location, language, and so on. So the set location will be different with yours, because I have to create a new path for it. So inside the D drive, I have the Android Studio project folder. So this way I put the project. So you might need to create a new folder for that also. So let's change the name first. Let's say it's the first application. When I type, you also will aware that the save location will be changed. Under the Android Studio project folder, they will create another folder for you. So for S, and also the package name will be different. And here, for us, we're going to use the Java, so make sure that you select the Java. Okay, and this will be the minimum SDK, meaning that what minimum SDK that the Android phone is required to install your application. So if you click this help me choose, they will say if you pick the 24, meaning that you have covered 95.4% of the Android device in the world. If you pick, let's say the API level minimum is 33, then meaning only 50% of the Android device is able to use the application. So for us, we choose it, let it for the default, and then you click the finish. So after click the finish, you will notice that the right bottom there will have the progress status. So this progress status actually will take some time for the new project also. So make sure the background task is finished complete or finished run, then only you start doing your many modification for your project. So right now we'll just wait for it to finish. So you can see the status is complete run. Okay, nothing is running in the background anymore. So at this moment you can start any configuration on the project. And also you can see the D folder, the Android Studio project folder will have the folder for this project, which is first app. Okay, that's all for the installation so far. In the next video, we're going to do some extra configuration for the installation, and also to try to run the hardware project. Thank you.